Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning on how we can fix the automatic repair couldn't repair your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices or PC. And so for that we will begin with going first to our startup repair window. So since I can show you on how you can or what options to click on that, I'll just be saying it to you because the moment I open the startup repair, my video recorder or screen recorder application will automatically be cut, and then it will be turned off, so the video will be cut. All you need to do is just to follow the few simple steps that I'm going to tell to you. And for that, please open your startup repair. So you can do it by just pressing and hold the shift key in your keyboard, and then please go to your Windows icon there. Please hover your mouse or your cursor into this shutdown or restart option, then you will get this restart button here. So while pressing and holding the shift key in your keyboard, please tap or click on this restart button, and then once you have done that, you will now be going to the startup repair window. All you need to do, you will see there a troubleshoot option, so please select or click on the troubleshoot option and then proceed with startup repair. So if you have put or added administrator password, then you can enter the password and then click on continue. Once you have done that, it will diagnose your PC once again and it fixes the problem for you. If you don't find the fixes, or if it don't find the fixes, then you'll find this startup repair window. You will get the blue window there. So there, all you need to do is just to click on the advanced options, click on troubleshoot and advanced options again, and in the command prompt window, please proceed with the command prompt option. So in the command prompt window, we will be now typing some commands. So here I'll just open the command prompt window so that you can follow the commands that I will be typing. So let me just quickly open the command prompt window, and here all you need to do is just to type C:. Okay, so let me just quickly erase this. So I'll just type it in small letters or the lowercase letters. So it's C:. If your main drive is C drive, so just please type C:, and then click on enter. And then here we need to type dir, click on enter again. Once you have done that, please proceed typing cd space /Windows /system32 /config. And then once you have done typing this one, it's cd space /Windows /system32 /config. Once you're done typing this one, please click on enter, and then the next thing you need to type is to type md or caps lock md backup, and then click on enter again, and then click on copy space *** space backup, click on enter again, and then the next thing is A or capital letter A, click on enter, and then next is cd space regback, click on enter, and then click on or type copy space *** space dot, click on enter again, and the next is exit, and then click on enter, and you will now be exiting the command prompt window. There you need to click on continue, and after doing that, you will now be fixing, or you have now fixed the automatic repair couldn't repair your PC or laptop. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.